So here's a video of my 2010 Wolf Pup. This trailer is a 17-footer manufactured by Forest River. Anyhow, I'll try to do this as best as I can. I'm on the side of the road, so it is high in traffic here. Anyhow, we'll start with the back. The back has a double bike rack. This unit here actually folds down for 2 bicycles, as well as you can use it for a storage carrier if you want to strap some boxes on there. This little unit's in exceptional condition. The decals are all mint. Single propane tank, battery, air conditioner. It has the 2 vents, as well as the max air vent cover. Has 2 jack stands in the back. Tires are in excellent condition. Oh yes. Just want to take a shot here of some of the extras. A spare tire, septic tank. So if you basically just want to hook up your hose to this, and then this basically goes underneath, and you can actually haul it right to the sewage area. These poles here are for your awning. It comes with this distribution hitch and all your extras, your hoses and all that, and extra parts. Screen door. Exceptional condition. Now this dinette area does turn into a double bed. Nice screen, window coverings, nice modern fabric, floors all solid, premium linoleum, nice little dining area. And again, this turns into a double. Your thermostat, your air conditioner, your vent with a fan, and then another skylight vent. Some nice cabinets, all solid wood fronts. Again, more cabinets on the top here, as you can see, a whole row of it. Your sound system. And again, with this little trailer here, you're with this little trailer here, your speakers are also on the outside. So if you want to play music outside or inside or both, you can do so. Here's a train coming. We'll have to make this fast. Then you've got a sofa down here that turns into a the bed area. So nice little trailer, nice little traveling trailer. Oh, I'm not sure if I went in the washroom yet, but let's go in here. This is a shower toilet combination. Your shower rod, but curtains that just slides over, and again you have a fan in here. Well, there you have it. This has been a pet-free and smoke-free setup with fire extinguisher, fire alarm, and CO detector. Anyhow, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and again, thanks for watching.